In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple boards in Monday.com. Connecting boards is a powerful way to keep your projects aligned without constantly copying and pasting information. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to link boards together, sync data between them, and surface key information in one central place. Let's start on any board inside your Monday.com account. Look at the very top of your board where your column headers are. On the far right side, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon to add a new column. From the list of column types that appears, choose the option called Connect Boards. This is the feature that allows different boards to talk to each other and share data. Once you've selected Connect Boards, a window will pop up asking you to select which boards you want to link. Click on Select Boards and you'll see a list of all the boards you have access to. Here, you can choose every board that you want to connect. Take a moment to think about which boards actually need to share information. For example, you might connect a high-level roadmap board with multiple team boards or a client overview board with separate project boards. After selecting the boards, look for the option labeled Create a Two-Way Connection. Toggle this on. This is important because a two-way connection ensures that updates can flow both ways between the boards. That means if something changes on one board, it can be reflected on the other, helping you keep everything accurate and up to date without extra manual work. When you're ready, click Connect Boards to confirm your choices. Monday.com will now link everything behind the scenes. Next, you'll be prompted to create what's called a mirror column. Go ahead and click Create a Mirror Column. The mirror column lets you display specific data from the connected boards, such as status, due dates, owners, or numbers. Think of it as a window into another board. Choose the type of information that you want to see summarized on this board. This is especially useful for managers or coordinators who need a single view of progress across multiple teams. Once the mirror column is set up, you're ready to link specific items. Click any cell in your new Connect Boards column. A panel will open where you can browse through the connected boards and select the exact items you want to link to this row. Pick the items that match, such as the related task, project, or client record. As you connect them, the mirror column will start to populate with live data from those other boards, giving you a clear, synced overview in one place.